Today we're going to make a quick video how to install the driver's side headlight on the 2012 Chevy Silverado. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to transfer over all of the light bulbs to the new one. Just go ahead and undo this pigtail from here and turn these lights to the side and pull them out. Same thing with this one here as well for these corner ones. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and transfer this assembly over to the new one and put everything back into its place, all the light bulbs, and secure them. Alright, you just want to set this up like the original one, and let's go ahead and pick this up and let's go ahead and bring it to the driver's side. Let's go ahead and connect our pigtail into there. Once you have it connected, go ahead and work it back into its location, into its housing, where it permanently is going to sit. Okay, after you have the light in place, let's go ahead and put the screw up here to hold it. And we're also going to put this one here. This one looks like it's out of alignment a little bit. Might be one of the reasons why it broke. I'm going to go ahead and try to fix that real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this bolt here, and it looks like it should track down a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I have to use the swivel for this side. So there it is, the whole bracket shifted down. I'm going to go ahead and line this up, there it is, and secure those bolts back into place. You can see there how much I shifted it down. So now it's perfectly lined up. Let's go ahead and secure this bolt in here first, and then we'll do these two on top. Okay, so with this headlight, I have a little bit of clearance here to stick the screwdriver, the socket, and extension. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up by hand here, and then the top. Alright, now just secure these top ones. Alright, not too tight, it is plastic. Sweet. Let's go ahead and give them a try. And there they are. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh man, we forgot to put the rest of this junk back together. Let's go ahead and slap the grill. First, hook it from up here. Has little plastic hooks to hold on to it. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure all these little clips are aligned on both sides, and then press it in. There it is. Okay, now we're going to put the 4 screws that go on here. These are 10 mil. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Let's go ahead and secure all of those bolts. This is plastic, so not too tight. Then we're going to put our cowl back on and put the retainer clips to hold it into place, just like so. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you install new headlights on the 2011 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.